Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and permissions. First, connect a USB-C OTG adapter or pair your Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Make sure they work in system menus. Once paired, grant input permissions and, if needed, enable developer options and USB debugging to allow third-party mapping tools. You do this now because the game won't accept direct PC inputs without an intermediary. Make sure battery levels are high and peripherals feel responsive before moving to mapping. You now install a key mapping app and open a new profile for Valorant Mobile. Map mouse X/Y to touch look and left/right-click to primary and secondary fire. Map WASD or arrow keys to movement and space to jump. Once done, tune sensitivity and DPI so camera feels natural. Lower values reduce jitter and higher values speed turning. Make sure to set dead zones to avoid drift, bind prone/crouch and ability keys, and save the profile so you can quickly load it. You finish by testing in a private match and iterating. Spend 5 to 10 minutes shooting at bots, strafing, and using abilities. Make small sensitivity adjustments until aiming feels consistent. Once happy, lock the profile and back it up. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Repair the peripherals, restart the mapping app in Valorant Mobile, or recreate the profile from scratch. One key tip: if the mouse drifts, lower DPI and increase the app's smoothing before changing bindings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.